Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to do another sub box unboxing. This is June 2021 for BJ's Glitter. I will have their link down in the description box below, as well as a direct link to the sub box and the direct link to each of the colors of the glitter that is in this box. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys know, I'm sure I've already opened it. That way I can do some samples for you guys so you guys can see it under epoxy. But as always, it's wrapped in some really pretty tissue paper with their sticker on it. And let me go over the other items first. So here are some decals of some super cute gnomes. They are so adorable. And this is from the Broken Leg vinyl. And it is on glossy permanent vinyl. And you just stick them on just like stickers. And they are super vibrant, super cute. This is the water slide that is included. I am loving these colors. And I love the kind of leopard kind of background. I guess I would call it leopard. And this is on a clear water slide, and it is laser printed, so you do not have to seal this. And you're probably wondering why my bags look so empty. That's because I've already transferred them into shakers. Here is Sunset. This is an orange chunky mix. It's a medium chunky mix. And it is metallic and iridescent. You guys can see that super pretty sparkle. Here's what it looks like under epoxy. You can see lots of like yellow hints in there. It's going to be a gorgeous orange for the summer. Next is Cliffside. This is an extra fine metallic light champagne, perfect for like your beach scenes. This is what it looks like under epoxy. It is just like a little bit darker than the champagne color that they actually have on the website. It's on the golden tone. It really looks like sand. Super pretty. Next is one of my favorites. This is called Key Largo. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. This one is a medium chunky mix that is light green, kind of like on the mint side. And this is also metallic and iridescent. I love that one. So here is what it looks like under epoxy. How gorgeous is that? It looks like it's glowing, literally. Love that. Next is High Tide. This is a light turquoise blue metallic, and it is extra fine. This is what it looks like under epoxy. This is also a really gorgeous like watercolor. All these colors look so pretty together. Last and certainly not least, it's this one called Yacht Club. It's very unique. It's a matte, extra fine, that is pink and purple, as you can see. I don't have a lot of matte glitters, but I'm really liking the way that they look. You can always find different ways to kind of sparkle them up using additives on different layers after you apply this. But this is what it looks like under epoxy. I really love the combo of the pink and the purple mixed together. So this will be a really fun one to use. So here are the 5 new colors that are in June 2021's sub box. I can't wait to make a cup with these colors. Stay tuned for a tutorial coming sometime this month using these colors. I hope you guys got a chance to pick one of these up. Like I said, I will have a link to the sub box down in the description box below. I do have a discount code for first-time customers, although it does not work on the sub boxes. You can get these individually if there are certain colors that you like. So make sure to check the description box. All the important information is down there. Let me know which one is your favorite out of this month's sub box. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and until next time, I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Bye everyone.